welcome VVSM Academy, the School of Arts and Science, Ecology and Environment, Safeguard Earth, Save Greens, Happy Life, Ecology, the study of the relationship between the organisms and their environment and the balances between these relationships. Ecosystem was introduced by A.G. Tansley in 1935. Consists of biological community, plant community, habitat, solar relations with the living and non-living things, ecosystem. Components. Let us discuss about the producers and consumers today and decomposers. Producers are organisms that can make their own energy through biochemical processes, which are just processes in living things that involve chemical reactions. They are also called as autotrophs. Autotrophs are organisms that make their own organic material from simple inorganic substances. For most of the biosphere, the main producers are photosynthetic plants and algae that synthesize glucose from carbon dioxide and water. The microscopic algae and blue-green bacteria are the main producers in aquatic system and are known as phytoplanktons. The glucose produced is used both as an energy source and combines with other molecules from the soil to build biomass. It is this biomass that provides the total theoretical energy available to all non-photosynthesizing organisms in the ecosystem. Consumers. Consumers or heterotrophs are organisms that obtain organic molecules by eating or digesting other organisms. These are the herbivores and carnivores of the ecosystem. By eating other organisms, they gain both food as energy supply and nutrient molecules from within the biomass ingested. The organisms that feed on producers are called as primary producers or herbivores. An insect, deer or rabbit. A rabbit is a primary consumer in a terrestrial ecosystem which has trees, grasses and herbs as producers. The secondary consumers feed on primary consumers or herbivores and are thereby flesh eaters or carnivores. Example, dog, fox, wolf and other animals. The secondary carnivores or tertiary consumers feed upon the secondary consumers like lion feed upon the wolves. Coming to the decomposers, which are the waste managers of any ecosystem. When organisms die, their bodies from a source of energy and raw materials for organisms are called decomposers. They are the final link in a food web, breaking down the dead organic matter from producers and consumers and ultimately returning energy to the atmosphere in respiration and inorganic molecules back to the soil during the decomposition. Decompositions can be divided into two groups based on their mode of nutrition. That is, number one is detritivores and saprotrophs. Detritivores are organisms that ingest non-living organic matter. These can be include earthworms, beetles and many other invertebrates. Saprotrophs, the second one, are the organism that lives on non-living organic matter, secreting digestive enzymes into it and absorbing the producers, the products of digestion. These include fungi and bacteria. Like, share and subscribe.